Hi, I am Shubhrita.
And I'm Pallav.
Our daughter Amaya has been a part of Free Thinking School Kudlu Road for over a year now. She is 3 years old.
And when we started looking out school for our daughter Amaya, we had few criterias in our mind. And these criteria was like the school should be very neat and clean. They should have good way of teaching to the students. They should maintain hygiene within the school premises. And most importantly, child safety. With these thoughts, we visited Free Thinking School Kudlu, and after interaction with the staff and teachers and a tour of the school, we were pretty confident that this should be the school Amia should start her journey.
Well, initially unaware of the Montessori method of teaching, we have come a long way now in understanding the principles behind the methodology and the impact it has on the overall development of the child. In fact, we have started appreciating to an extent that we now apply it regularly at home in everything that Amaya does. When the lockdown started, we began working from home and we started facing a lot of difficulties in keeping our child positively engaged and at the same time ensuring that the learning does continue. Uh, while we were at it, we were thinking, we were giving it a thought. It seems like the school heard us. They were there. They really acknowledged the challenges that we were facing and they came up with a distance learning program. I can't really appreciate enough the efforts the teachers and the staff uh, usually puts in creating, planning the activities for the child on a weekly basis and ensuring that the activities are designed specifically keeping the individual needs of the child. With the plans in place, they have taken a lot of burden away from us and it has become very easy for us. We just have to follow the plan that they send. And the best part of the entire program is that we never felt like forcing or forcing the child to come and do the activities. It's always they are so engaging that the kid always wants to perform those activities. So it's fun seeing the kid learning the new lessons in life um, uh, in such an interesting way, and we are really thankful to Free Thinking School.
We are very proud that our daughter is going to Free Thinking School for her education. Thank you.
Thank you.